My name is Charles Ballman. Uh, I've been asked to share my views with you concerning the request I make each year at the St. Nicholas Giveaway Night on behalf of the O'Fallon YMCA. My wife and I moved to O'Fallon 10 years ago, and shortly after joining St. Nicholas, we joined the Y. And that was my first experience at a Y. My thoughts on a Y was that it was a place to go exercise, maybe play basketball or swim. And it is all of that, but it's so much more, as I learned. I was asked to serve on the board of directors. And on the board, I learned many things that the Y does, other than what people mostly think of. So each year, the Y conducts a campaign, an annual campaign, to raise money to offer the benefits of the Y to those that could otherwise not afford to join or partake in the activities the Y offers. I've been asked, why is it necessary to raise money since dues are paid to the Y each year? Well, the dues pay for the operating cost of the Y, such things as salaries, insurance, maintenance, equipment, those type of things. What the annual campaign raises money for is to allow kids, individuals, families to participate in a variety of activities that they might not otherwise could. And some examples of that is there is a membership reduction for those that qualify. They can join the Y for 50% of the normal dues structure. There are summer camp for children, for kids, again at 50% reduction. There's youth sports. There's basketball, soccer, volleyball that kids are able to participate in during all year round at the Y. There is a cancer survivor program that offers free membership for 3 months for survivors of cancer, and they have programs to address that. There's a Parkinson activities that's free, and it meets twice per week. There's after-school activities for kids that maybe don't have a place to go, or they're on the street, and they provide a snack, homework assistance in a safe environment to allow the kids to function. So one of the other things we do, drowning is one of the most common and most frequent reason of death for children. The Y offers free swimming lessons to 3rd and 4th graders in the city of O'Fallon. It's also noted to say that all the money the Y raises through this annual campaign stays at the O'Fallon Y. It does not go anywhere else. And why is all this important? Well, as Christians, we are called to help those who need help, providing assistance. And we think that the activities the Y offers through this annual campaign serves that purpose. And we believe that is the Christian thing to do. Thank you for listening, and have a good day.